Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on a Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small towel, and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. It's important to confirm the correct replacement sizes for your specific 4Runner model before you begin, as sizes can vary slightly. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, locate the small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook style wiper arm. Installing the new blades is just as simple. Take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. With both new blades installed, it's time for a final check. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blades using your windshield washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they provide smooth, streak-free clearing across the glass. For optimal visibility and safety, remember to consider replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.